In this tutorial we will show you the step-by-step process of importing MBOX files to Gmail account, using the RecoveryTools MBOX Migrator. To install our MBOX to Gmail import tool, download it from the link in the video description. After installation, simply launch the software. To begin, click the Next button. This tool provides users with select file or select folder options. Users can choose either one of the available options. Select a folder or folders containing the MBOX files you wish to import. Then, click the Select Folder option below. This box will display the path of the selected folder. Click Next. Check on checkbox to select individual files or an entire folder that you want to import. Click Next. Select a saving option, allows you to save the file in your desired format for import. Let's select Gmail option for this tutorial. Change language option to map source and destination folders when mailbox folder languages differ. Enter your Gmail email address. Copy to default folders when enabled will import emails into standard folders such as inbox, sent, etc. Select the Use Google OAuth authentication option to sign in without an app password. Go to Filter Options to take a look at the advanced filter options of our tool. These filter options should be applied before starting the conversion, so you can export only the required data based on date range, from, to, subject, exclude folders, and other criteria. Go back to Saving option. Next, simply click the Convert button. A new window will open asking to select the Gmail account to sign in with. Click on Continue and go back to the tool, and the import process will begin. Once the import is completed, you'll receive a notification indicating that the import process was successful. Click OK and open the Gmail account to access the newly imported MBOX files. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.